So ito na tayo sa SMX Convention Center. Makita nyo, mahaba na yung pila sa kabilang side. Nandito pa tayo sa side ng IKEA. So tatawid na lang tayo dyan, hanapin natin yung mga kasama natin. Well, nakapasok na kami, ngayon lang kami nalamigan. Ay!
Ito ko pa yung tinila ko.
So ito na yung pila, papasok na. Hindi tayo sa taas this time, sa baba lang tayo. So, waiting tayo makapasok. Doon. Sa hall 1 yan no? Hall 1. Hall 2. May mga papaka. So mali ako, H2 pala to, hall 2. So andito na kami sa entrance.
Sup! Nakapasok na rin kami,
Sir
guys.
Dan. Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to our vlog.
Nandito kami ng 6, dumating kami ng 10:30.
Kung di nagreklamo to, wala kami sa loob.
Actually, no? 4 hours sa pila bago makapasok.
Ayan, pila.
Sumbot na. Naurot.
Ticket. I-scan nyo na yan. I-scan nyo na yung ano ko para mawala na ako ng ticket. So ito, nandito na kami sa loob. Ito yung Fantastic Mindspa. So andun yung super fresh. Baka nandun. Pero alam ko dito yan eh.
Hello!
Long time
Bukas na ako yung ako bang yung
mystery box ha?
Got you.
Okay, thank you.
Total day.
Is total disaster.
Drink, tama ka ba? Tama, bili mo na tayo tubig.
Mga tao dito.
Madede, kilala mo brother.
Ano yung sa FFT? Punta mo na sa tindahan.
Yun pa ata.
Oo, dun. Lampas na.
Kasi natapos mag-English.
Dito. Dito na mi. Ayun na. Nagsasalita na.
Welcome to Freddy's Science Store here in Toycon 2024.
Napila na sila. Kay Rin Barrera. Johnny, huwag mo akong pigilan. Baka punta na tayo sa Sari-Sari Store.
Mga yes, spread the word, tag your friends, invite them here at Hall 4 and look for the Funko Fanatic Philippines booth. Dahil magsa-start na po ang ating pamigay ng mga prizes.
And meron tayong, siyempre, before anything else, meron tayong mga ribbon cutting, meron tayong mga pamigay, may mga prizes and everything. Pero siyempre, alam ko gusto nyong puntahan dito ang ating one and only Funko Pop na very exclusive. This time is Toycon 2024.
Correct. It's limited edition and you will not only be able to buy a Funko Pop, you can also buy a limited edition shirt. Yes, Pop Tea.
Okay, so maraming happenings dito, pero before we go on,
Johnny Jerome,
sponsors,
Judge.
We also have La Filipina, Amigo Segurado,
We have Happy Stadium.
Yori.
Take ko na, wala na listahan.
We also have Sanicare.
Sanicare, okay.
And lastly, World Class Foods or WL Foods for our snacks. Maraming mga magaganap today, no?
Yeah,
Actually, I'm super excited.
So meron din mga pins. We have 10 pins na pamamigay. Hindi lahat dito sa booth. May ibang mga retailers.
Andun daw yung end of the line.
Sa FB page, makikita nyo kung sino retailer doon. They have different mechanics on how to get that pin. Okay, may kasabay tayo. Nakasa na lang to.
Pero before anything else, tingnan muna natin kung visit na yung audience natin.
Hi.
Ready na ba kayo makakuha?
We shall call our father, the founder, the president, at kung ano pang gusto nyong sabihin o kung ano gusto nyong ilagay na title. Pero kilala nyo siya as Mr. Nico Lee!
Hello, good morning everyone.
Morning.
Okay ba kayo? Excited na ba for Toycon? For Funko? So sino dito yung pinakamaaga kanina umaga? Ang dami naman, sabay-sabay naman kayo.
kaninang maga
Ganito na lang gawin
kahapon.
natin because we have some prizes to give away. Start na natin with prizes. I have 2 Mike Becker soda.
Sign.
Signed.
Sign. Legit signature, no?
Signed by Mike Becker. So, paano ba natin napapamigay?
Sige, dapat siguro konting trivia. Konting trivia ba o ibabato na lang ni Nico? Hindi, huwag yung bato. Kawawa naman yung mga bata.
Damage can na tayo isa eh. May buti na eh.
Okay lang naman, may signature naman daw eh.
Ayun, yan, shoot ko daw doon. Okay, sige, trivia na lang. Trivia lang.
Jack and Point daw. Winner take all.
Wala tayo, matagal yun. Ito na lang.
Ilan ba kayo?
Funko Fanatic Philippines was founded what year?
What year? Sa akin.
Oh,
What year?
2014.
oh, mali. Mali. Ayun, yung naka-glasses, yun.
2013.
Oh, 2013.
This by 1 year. Pero
Your name is?
Toby. Team Cotabato.
Team from Cotabato.
Cotabato. Flying in from Cotabato? Oh, okay.
Oh, sige, total, ang tanong years. Year na lang ulit yung tanong.
Okay,
natin.
correct.
So ito, siguro advantage mga nakaka-attend ng Christmas party natin. What year did Mike Becker came to our Christmas party?
Taas kamay!
Oo, sino?
Oh, 2018!
Correct.
What's your name?
Alexis!
Alexis, ah.
May representative din ng Manila.
Ah,
Makati.
from Makati naman. Okay.
Yung ba gusto ngayon kung saan galing? Kailangan sabihin, paramihan.
Okay.
Miss Universe.
Okay, start na natin. So let's formally open Freddy's Sari Sari Store. Again, thank you to everyone for the support. Thank you for always supporting Funko Fanatic Philippines. And I hope nandito kayo every day until Sunday because we have a lot of things in store. We have every 3 p.m. we have performances. Nandito si DJ. Nasaan na? Ayan. DJ,
i-name natin mamaya.
So, kunwari, pagod na kayo sa ToyCon, you can hang out here, listen to some music. Also, we'll have some games, giveaways. Also, check out also our diorama contest dito sa left side. Take pictures. And then we also have our Freddy for Fun custom show. So, 24 artists nag-custom ng Freddy.
Mga collab, no?
Yes, and then we will auction it off at a later date. But you can already submit your
Blind bids.
your bids. So,
Blind
kung meron na
bids.
kayong bids, pwede mag-submit dito.
Yes.
Okay, so let's call on our special guest for today to help us open Freddy's Sari Sari Store. One of our fellow fanatic, Sir Rico Hizon.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
Kaya ba?
Also, first time joining us for Funko Fanatic Philippines, Mr. Jano Gibbs. Thank you, Rico and Jano, for gracing our opening. So, Jano, anything you can share with a fellow Funko collector?
Wala lang. I'm really happy to be here. Even if I wasn't invited by Nico, my good friend, I'd still be here with all of you guys. Syempre, Funko Fanatic. Pedro Penduko in the house. Yeah?
Alright. Sir Rico,
Alam mo, Nico, I've been a collector for about 7 years now. Nag-umpisa ako ng collection ko sa Singapore nung nakatira ko doon. But I was inspired.
Napaka-social naman ito sa Singapore.
I was inspired
Sa marketplace lang.
nung nakita ko yung Funko Fanatic Philippines. Na-inspire ako. Tapos nung bumalik ako, talaga doon na-increase yung aking collection. So with the help of Nico and with the inspiration of Funko Fanatics, 2,500 na ang aking Funko Pops. My latest collection, Freddy. Yan.
Limited edition.
Maraming salamat.
Google is real. Anytime. Last one is real.
Lason is real. Addiction is real. With Funko Pops. Thank you, Nico. Thank you for inviting us.
Let's formally open the store na.
Pati gunting dito, limited edition.
Hindi mabuksan, hindi mabuksan.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1! Freddy's Sari Store is now open!
Open! Pero syempre, di ba lahat ng opening may ginagawa. Diyan lang kayo, diyan lang muna kayo.
Wait lang muna. Syempre, may pang-wrestling. Sino gusto ng candy? Gusto ng coins? Oo, syempre may coins blessing tayo eh. Opening eh.
Yan!
Once again, we would like to thank our sponsors.
Pure Gold! Happy Stadium!
Standing Chair, WL Foods. We also have Yori and more. Music is also care of our DJ EJ over here on the right. DJ Aqual.
Okay guys, officially we're open. Pwede na pong bumili. Bawal utang.
Bawal utang, pwede maritin.
Thank you to Sir Jano, Gibbs, and Sir Nico Hiso.
Thank you also Sir Nico for opening. Good. Okay, ulitin lang po namin ang mechanics habang pumipila ang mga tao. So you will be able to get a limited edition ticket like this one. We have Freddy Funko for today. Pwede dito siya babata, kailangan yung bumili. So para makakuha ng kit today with Freddy Funko, you have to buy one Funko Pop. The Freddy Pop here is the limited edition Funko T or Pop T. So yun lang kayo makakakuha ng pin for today. Pero don't worry because everyone will be receiving stickers and snacks from our Sari Sari store. Kaya naman pila na po kayo. Make sure you also have the wrist tag. Ang end po ng line ay nandoon. There.
May signage naman.
Talaga end of line.
Magbilan! For diorama contest to, pero ito muna tayo sa mga custom. Ipapa-auction to later date. So, try natin. So, from DTC Studios, Ice King Freddy. From Steffi, Charan, Steffi Smile. From Madame Golko, si Freddy Halo Halo Special with Ice Cream. Ito naman kay Corner Crew Johnny Can, Johnny Claw, Gecko. Ito si Slim Sulit. Freddy cosplays Yasha. Ito naman from Sir RP Trinidad Canary. Channel colors to. Next is from Sir Dave Bedia, Super Freddy. Si Super Mario Kart. From Sir Gino Roberto, si Skelly Freddy. Sir TJ Ismael, Freddy to the Moon. From Crayon Baron Von Klopfer. Stick. And then medyo tumumba yung pangalan. From Checklist, Freddy Robozokuga. Tawag yan, Freddy for Fun. Tapos Fanatics Give Back. Yung mga makukuha from auction will go to Fanatics Give Back for future endeavor. Yeah, so next naman for diorama contest is the Scarlet Witch. Different Scarlet Witch. So wala naman nakalagay na pangalan, pero voting would be, if I could remember, for like reacts sa Facebook post. So naman, Going Merry Funeral. Yan yung nakakayak na part ng One Piece. Sa bottom yan is yung Marvel. So naman, One Piece ulit. I think this is one. Another One Piece. Same din. One ulit. Then sa bottom nyon is yung Blackpink. Next is Little Mermaid. Ito naman yung BTS. Ano rin pala, kasama rin pala yung pink nasa taas. Nasa bottom yung mga penguins. Please do not tap on them. At nandito si Corner Crew, BRS TV, Sir Pecho. Ito na yung sa mga mind style. Si Kao Kao, Lubu.
Only one per person. So one seat.
Wala na Snowy.
We're not sure. What's that?
Isa lang ba? Sir, early fan.
Hindi siya ko. Ang sagot ko na lang, oo.
Isa lang mabibili mo niya? Isa lang.
Only one per person.
Hindi, pangalawa nga ako sabi. Pwede kung dalawa bibili mo. Pwede.
That's all we got, you know? That's always sold out.
Wala na po.
Hindi siya for sale.
Is this hotel?
Okay lang. Ha?
Wala tayong friendship.
Ano ito? Wala pa.
Ay, wala.
Ayan o. Bakit nandiyan ka? Ba't ka ba nandyan?
Asya.
Ito mga... Ito, matigas to. Ito lang yung mga malalambot. Sinong designer nito? Sinong artist?
Iba, ito, Words Beyond. From Urdu rin.
Ganito rin yung lalagyan nun eh, yung ano ko, yung chopaw. Chopaw talaga na...
O yung ano, yung mga palaka.
Ito mga flashes lang.
Flashes. Meron ba yun sa kabila, sir?
Ano ito?
Parang ano ito eh.
Bibiluga? Ano? Babluga? Tatanggalog. Mawawala to. Ako yung una yung sisisihin pag nawala yan. Sa akin yung hanapin. Hindi pa nakapasok.
Peace, yo! Hello, guys! Guys, kaway ka na, guys! Yeah! Kaway ka!
Nyo, ang gulo nyo. Wala tayong nagsumiksik sa iba. Nakita ko yung kabilang side ng Urdu eh. Hindi ko pa pala nakita mapupuntahan.
Uy, amin yun ah.
Ikaw na, yaman mo. Bakit hindi malambot to?
Maliit lang. Pero alam mo,
Oh, nandun kanina yung mga bata mo.
ay my God.
Si Ma'am Maris yun ah, kung nagtatanong kayo, si Ma'am Maris. Madilim. Ay, si boss pala to. Oh,
Toys. May Umaru-chan tsaka cells at work. Ayun, si White that cells.
May live action na.
Uy, oo nga. Maganda yun. Pero maganda yun as knowledgeable sa science. Pero as bata na may bababasa ka na hemoglobin, red blood cells, white blood cells. Parang ang hirap niya intake.
Sure.
Gusto mo po? Hindi sabi ko may slide na lang.
Inside ng Pico Box. Diyan ka lang.
Teka lang, pupunta kayo.
Arco? Ano yung Arco
Arco, gano'n. Hindi, yung Arco yung entrance.
Yung mga bonnet ang part yung less na mapunta. Yung mga panty-panty.
Kasi kung saan kayo lumulusot eh.
Paano snake ba tayo?
Hindi, wala na. Hindi na lang may masusundan na.
Hindi, okay lang yun.
Ay, nakaraan nasa gitna yun.
Oo.
Waka, 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 waka. Isa pa nga, isa pa nga.
Isa pa, baby girl.
Isang waka, waka. Thank you. You know. Si Toga at si Ochako. Malapit mo na siyang deduin.
Do you love him or do you...
High quality daw.
Bawal pa. Have you been saved by a child? No spoilers. Ito palang flavor niyo.
Madami ka na. Bawi na yung mga mo. Hindi ikaw. Iba ka pa. Gusto ko.
Sabi ko na ubusin ko.
O, sinong bias mo dito? Uy! Sinong bias mo dito? Sino bias mo? Sino dyan?
Wala dito. Yung may hawak ng potato fries. Ako, pagtigang ako, ito. Pero kung dayon to, di ba? Tama. Kung gusto mong papatapak ako, ito.
Oh, there we go. Yes, sir.
Kaya? Ilagay ko eh. Kung may gusto ko yung uwi, ito.
Yung standy?
Ano daw? Ay, meron pa ng ano?
Ano? Ready ka na siya?
Gusto ko lang settle.
Kasi na chat ko na kaya?
Hello, hi guys, viewers. Please like and share.
Sabi ko, kilala ko po. exclusive na nirelease ngayong Toy-Con PH. Ang Jolly Tech o Jollibee X Quicks. Yung mga maraming tao akala one piece. Pina-sign. In-open na yun. Jollibee. Open na yun yung signature ng artist. Sting. Anong ilang inch to? Laki. 10 inch? 12 inch? Sorry, maingay yung background. Tapos meron pa siyang kasama na dalawang piraso.
Saan ka pupunta?
Ito 6 inch. May pirma rin siya. And then,
yung hintay mo na lang yung view ko sa 6 inch.
ito yung ano. Ito Jolly Hotdog. Ito 3 inches.
Baka PO lang ako. Yung ano. Awitan mo siya ka. Awitan ko.
So yan yun. 25,000 yan per set. Ito, nabibili siya ng ano, 6.5 ba? Tapos 3.5. Kasi andito si Miss D kumakain. pati si Sir At. Si Johnny and then si Rico. Jolly Tech 63.
Ay, tandaan mo.
Tinatago mo pa.
Ay, 1, 2, 3. Ay, isang walkie. 1, 2, 3.
Bang! Here's the Lucky Cat, 6 inch for 2,000. Still the Lubu and the Cow Cow. More stuff for love. Ito yung mga ang tawag dyan? Mystery box ng ano, 4 eyes tsaka chase na buzzer. Pwede mo makuha. Ito pa, bagong labas sila is si Bunny Guru, and then si Arky. And lahat sila is pre-release ng Summer Convention exclusive. For Summer Convention, si Maybe or Maybe, Tree Dweller, Chihuhu, and then Blister. And then si Ate Ganda. Si Madam Ganda.
Hello everyone, this is Ma'am Ganda.
Bye-bye, thank you.
So itong sari-sari store na to, hindi kayo sa amin bumibili. Kami ang nagbibigay ng something very special. Kaya naman gusto rin namin kayo patikimin kung ano yung makita nyo sa booth. Which are?
Yeah, so aside from our Toy-Con exclusive, we have a Freddy Funko wearing a Philippine outfit.
Yes, a Philippine exclusive, which is actually limited to only 3,000 pieces. So imagine that if you own that special Freddy Funko, isa ka sa 3,000 people sa buong mundo na meron itong pop na ito.
Yes, and aside from the Freddy Funko pop, we also have a shirt.
Yes,
that's exclusive to Toy-Con.
And you can you can find those things at our booth on your right side, over there near the entrance and exit at Hall 4. Kaya naman, before natin sila papuntahin sa ating booth, Nico, why don't we give them a taste of what we are giving away at our booth?
Okay, so let's call our Prize Patrol.
Mga taga Prize Patrol, pasok!
Pasok!
Okay, so everyone will be receiving free chips care of Freddy Sari Store today. So lahat ng mga nandito sa main stage. Yung mga wala pa sa main stage, of course, you still have a chance to join us here, get your free chips, and maybe win some free Funko Pop later on.
So, so every year during Toy-Con, an unboxing video contest.
Chips Patrol
pa. Unboxing video contest.
Kailangan si Nicole
We always award the winner dito sa Toy-Con.
Yes, it's a very special moment, not just for everyone who attended, but also for those who joined the unboxing contest.
So this year we have 3 finalists. Caitlin Ang, Jean Paul Pineda, and Sherwin Nasol. I don't know if all of them are here.
I can see some of them here. If you're not here, please proceed in front.
Yeah, so we'll award the winner now.
Just the winner, alright.
We'll award the winner. So the winner will win a social media Freddy Funko.
So nice. Oh, it's
Social media Freddy Funko. Yes, so the winner for this year's Funko Fanatic Philippines unboxing video contest, let's call Jean Paul Pineda.
Congratulations, Jean Paul. Nasa ka mga friends with Jean Paul! Coming fast. Actually, alam nyo, I actually commend Jean Paul because he has been joining this unboxing video contest for years now.
Every year.
Yes. And now it's time to try.
Congratulations, Jean Paul.
Congratulations.
Congrats, JP!
Okay, once again, palakpakan naman natin si Jean Paul.
So now, let's give some prizes naman dito sa mga nandito sa Toy God Save. So, how do you want to do it, Sis?
Okay, sige. Ito ang mechanics natin. Madali lang. Yung mga fans ng Funko dito, i-advantage kayo. So, magpapa-bring me kami.
Thank you.
Bring me. Design Funko Fanatic Philippines pin. So, kompleto niyo siya. Hindi masaya.
Hindi masaya.
Sabi ko lang, ang ganda kasi ng mga pins nila today. And this all of us on our social media pages.
Tama, nung nanalo ko, nalimutan ko na nagbibideo pala ako. Para sa post ko.
Some cosplayers, singers later on. And of course, our limited edition, mga exclusive Funko Pops, tees, and even giveaways signed by Mike Decker himself.
Yes, so see you in the booth or in our community. And thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Toycon!
Thank you, Toycon.
Thank you, Funko Fanatic Philippines, Boss Nico. Sabi na ako mga na-pick up dun sa butol na yan. Kailangan ako makakuha ng enamel pin.
So continuation lang that RV Trinidad of Canary. Wala, hindi ko rin alam. Gawa ni Nico de Acosta yung on top of Freddy. Ito yung kay Jed Madela, the flyer. Ito kay Rin Rusty Barrera. Oh, hello. Gawa ni Haller Desert Freddy. Desert? Desert 10. Desert ba yun? Desert Freddy. Gawa ni Freely Frido Teathless. Gawa ni Don De Fernandez Little Curiosities. Gawa ni Red Sun Son of Cthulhu. Gawa ni Sir Eric Ejercito Freddy Ang Saya. Gawa ni Merc Designs Canada, pati yung box. And then Merrow's Way pinaka-latest na dagdag, gawa ni Shido Mega Freddy. Hindi ko na birthday. Diba?
Doon ka.
May dumating mang cake, hindi ito para sa akin.
Happy birthday to you.
one you can pre-order.
Thank you. Good morning. Thank you.
She even has her own version of Jollibee.
Morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Nothing fun. Just browsing. I'm gonna share it on YouTube. Get cool.
shoutout sa iyo, BRS TV. Maraming salamat sa suporta.